What happens when citizenship status is scrutinized for electoral roll inclusion? The Supreme Court ruled that the Election Commission can examine citizenship for limited electoral purposes, but it's not final. The ECI can examine citizenship status for limited purposes of electoral roll inclusion. Such an inquiry is confined strictly to electoral consequences and does not amount to a formal adjudication of citizenship under the Citizenship Act. The Commission's determination cannot assume finality on the question of citizenship. The Commission's determination cannot assume finality on the question of citizenship. Supreme Court. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court of India has clarified the scope of the Election Commission of India's (ECI) powers to scrutinize an individual's citizenship status for the purpose of inclusion in the electoral roll. The court held that while the ECI is empowered to undertake a limited inquiry into citizenship for electoral purposes, its determination cannot be treated as conclusive on the question of citizenship. The ruling came while upholding the ECI's Special Intensive Revision, (SIR) of electoral rolls in Bihar. The court emphasized that the Commission's power flows from its constitutional responsibility to maintain accurate electoral rolls and ensure that only eligible persons are included. However, the bench comprising Chief Justice Surya Kant and Justice Joymalya Bagchi made it clear that such an inquiry is confined strictly to electoral consequences and does not amount to a formal adjudication of citizenship under the Citizenship Act. The court directed that where the Commission is not satisfied with a person's eligibility for inclusion in the electoral roll on citizenship grounds, it must refer the matter to the competent authority within the central government for adjudication in accordance with law. Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.